How to freeze location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can freeze location on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Freezing location on iPhone basically means that you want to turn off location to a certain point where it doesn't show the other users, such as who are on your Snapchat or maybe the Live 360 app or any of the location tracking apps, not to let them know where you currently are. So how do you turn that off on your iPhone? Well, it's very simple, because to freeze our location on iPhone is all we have to do basically is to stop giving location access to our iPhone or any of the other apps. And in order to do this, you can go ahead and first of all launch settings here, and once you launch settings, you should be able to see all these sorts of options where you can go to privacy and security and then tap on it. As you do that, right here you can see location services. Currently it's set to on, which means any app will be able to access my location services. In order to freeze my location, you just have to turn off the toggle and then just tap on turn off, and none of the applications will actually be able to use your location. Now, let's say you don't want to turn off location for your overall iPhone. You only want to turn off location for individual apps. In that case, just select the app list from here. Let's say you want to turn it off for Snapchat. You select that. You just select never, and Snapchat will not be able to access your location. So hope this video helped you as to how you can freeze location on your iPhone. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.